Yes, people, we are 10 days out from the Money Rope 2.0 launch, and this is the third and final part of the series where we take you through the development of this rope, right? You guys have been following from the day ones, what we've been doing, the box designs, how this rope is changing compared to the first generation, and today we're going to share with you just how durable this bad boy is, all right? So we stepped away from the HQ today, me and Nathan, and it's nice weather today, so we thought, let's get out there, gonna go to the Croydon car park and do a few tests. So listen, sit back, relax. It's gonna be a very short video, I promise you. You're gonna get some nice fire edits from this man here. So anyway, relax, I'll see you in a bit. Here, cool. Croydon town, we're here. We're ready to do this now. What we're going to basically do, people, is show you smash proof test. We're going to do something different. Maybe put the rope handle underneath the car, drive the car over it. We're going to try some different things and show you just how durable it is. By the way, the weather's amazing today, Nathan. We've got to say, man, look at it. Summer, people. It's been raining. Whole of last week rained off. This week got some good weather. I digress. 5 colorways will be released on the first run. That's going to be neon green, neon orange, neon pink, white, and of course iconic yellow. Right now, in each box you're going to get an 11-foot cable. You're going to get a Money Rope bag and grip tape, and of course these new designed handles which we're testing today. So just keep that in mind. More colorways. If there's any other colors that you guys like and you want to see, I will get them out in the future. Alright, we're going to start with the first test, which is basically me just smashing the handle on the floor at maximum power. Show you up close, quickly, in case you forgot. Hopefully catch that. Nice new nylon finish, alright. High grade premium plastic, engraved handles. We're going to do this. Remember, these tests are mainly for people who like to chuck their ropes around. Release kings, queens out there, you know. You're going to be doing your skipping, you're going to want to release this rope, and I don't know what your percentage is, but 100% of the time, you're not going to be able to catch it, if that makes sense. So that's why we're doing these tests. People like me like to keep the handles in our hands, but we're going to do this just for your peace of mind. So let's do this. Let's do a very mild test at the moment. Handle drops. All right. Handle drops. It's dropped on the corner, still intact. The mild smash proof test, so if you're just doing a little mild release, hits the floor, no issue, all right? Scratch wise, you're obviously gonna probably scuff this rope. The feel of the rope, you'll feel it when you first get your hands on it, right? It has a very kind of like, what's the word? Like a kind of textured feel, right? It's not like slippery as such, but like it's gonna have this finish on it, which means if you're gonna be jumping on concrete, if you're gonna be releasing on concrete, then of course, you're gonna find a little scratch or two, right? That's why you should always jump on mats, people, I always say it. All right, next test, slightly bigger smash, right? This is if you're doing something crazy with your ropes. Again, the release kings and queens know more than I do, but let's give it a go, right? This is a little bit more force. All right. That was hard, isn't it? That was a hard smack. Here we go. I'll try and show you a little bit more of it so you can see. I don't know if it picks up on camera there, peeps. Tiny little scuff there on the corner. Bigger scuff there on the corner. That was a really big smack. That was a big smack, right?
Big one.
This one, I'm gonna go super hard. Now, it pains me to do this right now. We're gonna have to do it. This is for now, you beginner probably release kings and queens who haven't mastered the techniques just yet, and for some reason you're really smashing your handles on the floor. Remember, people, man, this handle that I'm creating, bringing out, I can never say 100% sure that it's indestructible, because there'll be someone out there that's gonna find a way to fucking break these. But that said, you're seeing it firsthand on camera. I'm really going for it, okay? So for you to break this, I don't know what you're doing with your ropes, but you're not doing skipping. I'll give it a bit of loopage. That was strong, man. That had a bit of wind up as well. There we go. scuffed, still intact. What'd you rate that out of 10 for that smash?
It was a 9.
That was a good 8 or 9, isn't it? At least.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully you're happy. That's strong. It's really strong. And you see, like, to break this thing, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna try and break this thing, all right? I'm gonna try and go, I'm gonna jump and do this, right? I'm gonna try and break it. And if it breaks, you're gonna see what it needs to take to break, right? That was hard, bruv. That was a 9.5, that smack. That's strong. That's strong, guys, man. Like, we've been trialing this rope for a long time, for months, right? 18 months in the making to try and get this right. There's a lot of work that goes involved. So hopefully you're convinced with the generic smash proof test, right? If you're skipping, doing your releases, slips out your hand, even if you're sweaty and it slips out your hand and you're on concrete, it shouldn't really break on you. And if it does, like I said, you're doing something very strange, in my opinion, or you're skipping on some crazy surface. Let's move on to the second smash proof test, which is now we're gonna put it underneath the car and we're just gonna drive over it. I don't know why, but it sounds like a good idea. Yeah. So just flat. That's sick. All right. Listen, I'm really happy with this, by the way. First time I've ever done this. Nathan, you surprised by that?
Yeah.
I would have imagined.
I thought it would shatter.
I would imagine this would shatter, flatten like a pancake, especially because we got this, obviously, this lip, the usual lip that we normally have at the end of the handle. This should really get smashed to pieces, and you hear it like it did crack a little bit. I heard the crack. It's hard to even see where the cracks formed. It's somewhere around there, I think. That's mad, especially when you think that the tire is obviously going to go over this part. This should smash to pieces. So that was a good test. I don't know if I got any more bigger tests than that. You got any ideas? Should I just throw it in the air?
Yeah.
Let's just do a throw in the air test. All right. All right, third test. Just gonna chuck in the air. As high as I can. I mean, if it survived probably like, what is that? That's probably about 2 tons or something. I don't know how much that weighs. It's not gonna smash just by throwing it in the air, but we're running out of ideas. We've got no other, any other ideas?
No.
No.
All right, so do you want to just say that's the end?
Well, that's it. That's smash proof test, isn't it? We're going to conclude the video. Really nice and simple. We're going to take a few more shots, a few more pictures of Nathan. Might vlog that. If not, I'm going to see you next Friday, all right? Next Friday for this launch. We've got more tutorials coming along the way, so you'll see me again before then, hopefully. But again, thank you for making this happen. Thank you for the love, the support. Very, very excited to make this another king of the game, man, when it comes to speed ropes. I already know this is going to be the best, the ultimate speed rope out there in the world for future years to come. So listen, all the details down below. Remember, 4 p.m. next Friday, limited stock, and we're dispatching as soon as they arrive in September. That's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up. That'd be really useful for me. Let me know any comments down below, any other questions you got. We'll try and come back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, let's get some bossy edits, some bossy shots. I'll let Nathan do the rest. 3, 2.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.